Friends, welcome back to the Washington Henry Library. I hope you all had an amazing week away from school, celebrating Thanksgiving and being with your family and eating good food. Speaking of good things, I have so many good books to share with you that are new to our library, and I know you're going to love checking them out. So let's get started. Friends, we have got this super cute new picture book. It's called Overdue. Perfect book for the library. It is The Misadventure of Bob the Book. This is a super cute, popular title that I know you're going to really like. We also have the newest I Survived chapter book to add to our I Survived collection. This is I Survived the Dust Bowl. Okay, it's really good. You can see the dark green sticker, which means it is in the historical fiction section of our library. Now let's talk about some nonfiction books. We have a new Weird But True about outer space. We have a new drawing book, super cute, Chibi World. These are like step-by-step directions to draw characters and pictures, and yeah, they're really fun. So I think a lot of people will enjoy checking that out. And now we have so many of you that love to check out books about cars. Well, a lot of our books were either falling apart or old or just not that interesting anymore. So we have added to our collection about cars and vehicles. We have a book about Lamborghinis, Ferraris, Teslas, Maseratis, Bugattis, McLarens. Now we have a book called Snowmobile Mania, Monster Truck Mania, Stock Car Mania, Four-Wheeler Mania, Street Bike Mania, Dragster Mania, and Dirt Bike Mania. Get excited. I know you are. I can't wait to check them out. I know you can't either. Let's do some quick graphic novels that we're adding to the library. We have a new Magic Treehouse book. This is about dinosaurs. We have a new Sonic the Hedgehog book. We have the second book in the Curl Friends series to add to our graphic novels. We have a new book from the Literati Book Fair called Dream On. I think a lot of you saw that in the video. We have the newest Witches of Brooklyn book. This is number 5 in the series. We have, yay, the newest Babysitters Club book, number 18 in the series, Jessie Ramsey Pet Sitter. We have got the newest Cupcake Diary book to add to our series, and this really cool graphic novel. When you look at it, it looks like a giant picture book, but it's written like a graphic novel. The cool thing about this book is that it is wordless, so you are figuring out the story as you are looking at the illustrations. The pictures are really, really beautiful. The main character is a space traveler and gets to Earth and finds that it is empty. So she looks around at all of these clues about people who had lived there. And I'm just going to show you some of these pictures. And oh my gosh, this one that I went by, I just think they're gorgeous. So again, the book looks like a big picture book, written like a graphic novel. It's wordless, but the story is pretty amazing. So I hope you will check out our newest graphic novel called Viewfinder in the library. And that's all I have for today. I've missed you all. Come visit me in the library and check out some great books. Don't forget, watch our YouTube channel, like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time.